This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Michelle Denham. Clean, crisp, beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home meeting your every need. Step inside the grand double doors into this open floor plan home. New roof, March 2020, and newer AC, 2015, newer water softener, 2018, fence, 2019. The office is perfectly placed up front with peaceful view out to the community. There is an easy flow between the formal dining room and formal living. You will feel the spaciousness of this home in the main living room. Next, step into the cozy family room that just overlooks the extra-large kitchen and kitchenette. The master suite has a place of its own set aside on the back left side of the home. This provides a relaxing retreat with the master bathroom including walk-in shower, extra-large soaking tub, dual sinks and a massive walk-in closet. The other 3 bedrooms are on the other side of the home. Don't miss the grand feature of the home by stepping out the sliding glass doors onto your screened lanai overlooking your lush green backyard. In the back, you will find a storage shed that will provide ample additional storage to the new homeowner. All room sizes approximate. For more information, review the details below.